way?
Hey, over here. Right in the wind there.
Yep.
You saw that?
Oh,
that
yeah.
wasn't me. That shot straight in the wind.
She's going where the wind is.
Yeah. Now I got to take all that fucking trim out of there that we did last time. Every time I fly, this is different.
Yeah, it needs a re-trimming.
Trying to get it trimmed for this fucking way this wind is.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Maybe that's a little better. There's a shit ton of rudder the other way today. Still dropping away.
Yeah.
I'm not a fan of this wind anyway from that direction.
At least it's consistent.
It's
though.
consistent, yeah, but
It's not jumping all over the place.
fuck, I had that pick the wrong way. I thought it was coming at me. Hey? Yeah, or was that just me?
I think it must have been you.
Yeah. I had that peg going the other way. Like coming towards me.
Yeah.
Like I normally do.
Yeah, I just need to compensate to the right a little
Alright.
bit. Compensate to the right a little bit.
You don't want this wind. Look at it. Fuck, I'm not even touching the sticks, man.
Yeah.
It's just doing what it wants.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's doing what it wants, man. And literally, I just give it throttle there and it fucking turned right into the wind. Well, there's not much weight to this plane, right?
It's all engine. Engine and wing.
Okay. As you see there, how it bounced out of there.
Mm-hmm.
Does it sound like it dropped a cylinder? I don't know. This fucking wind is something. This might be the only flight on this fucking plane today.
Yeah.
Dropping like a rock there.
all you need. That's all you need. Yeah, the wind's really picked up.
Like I said, it's a fucking boring plane to fly. It flies so nice though, but
Yeah.
this is the muchest wind as I've ever flown it in. Fucking.
Yeah, you just gotta move it around.
Yeah, just keep the engine working hard. Wish I could do a loop with it because I know it's got
And do a loop, you might as well go high with it.
Oh yeah. Well, I did that one loop, but I did it the wrong way. So. About the hardest time I've had to fly this one, so fucking wind's gonna get right away. It wants to go again. If I don't push it down, like,
Yeah.
you can't get much more speed on landing that. If I didn't push that, I didn't want to taxi that because that's gonna flip over. You know what I mean? That wind's gonna grab that. Because I don't have enough elevator authority on myself unless I get it heading straight towards the city.